All right, today we're going to bring a nice, beautiful scone. This is a wall scone that we're going to set it up. This is actually real glass, so it has its weight, all right? Now, the thing I like about it, it has an off and on button right in the front of it, right? So it doesn't matter what you connect to because you have to tie these out. All of them have to be tied in together, all right, in order to turn them off. You got your hot, your neutral, and then you're going to get your ground, all right? The ground goes into the actual one of the actual screws, all right? Make sure you know that. And then they give you the tool to take this apart, and of course you're gonna have to unscrew this first in order to actually put the glass in there. So we're gonna put this together and see how it works. Now just make sure when you put this together it has to be facing this way, right? So we're gonna screw this up separate, but first we're gonna set these up in here, and they give you a tool to tighten it up, all right? All right, here's the actual scone, if you guys can see that. Beautiful, elegant. You can't see the bottom of it unless I zoom in a little bit more, but I'm going to show you the best part of the whole thing. All right, what I like about it, one of the best things is that you could always have this in any kind of hallway, and then you have the off. Overall, the light looks beautiful, so you can have this in your hallway or your entrance to your house. It looks good with any kind of lipo, up to 60 watts, off and on switch. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.